Sentence writing, expanding sentences. A sentence consists of a group of words that includes a subject and a predicate. It gives a complete thought. It jumps. Can you believe that's a sentence? It gives a complete thought, but it's not very detailed. We are probably wondering who or what jumps. So we can expand and improve our sentences by answering some important questions to make our sentences so much better. Who jumps? The frog. The frog jumps. Better, but is anyone wondering where does it jump? The frog jumps into the pond. We just turned a pretty boring sentence, "it jumps," into a very detailed sentence. The frog jumps into the pond. That is so much better. When we expand sentences, we put ourselves in the reader's place and figure out what the reader needs to know. Here are the most common question words. Who? What? Where? When? Why? How? Let's expand some sentences together. Your ideas might be a little different from mine, and that is okay. You can say the answers as we go, or pause and write them down. He plays. That's not very clear. We are readers and we need more information. Let's watch the video and then answer the questions and turn this into a detailed, awesome sentence. He plays. Who? Maybe you said the boy. Now we have the boy plays. What? Basketball. The boy plays basketball. Look at the difference in those two sentences. We turned he plays into a wonderful sentence that a reader can picture. The boy plays basketball. Let's do another. Our sentence can be different, remember, and that's okay. But let's make sure that they match the video. They eat. Who? If you want to write it, just pause for more time. I'm going to call them the kids. The kids eat. What? Watermelon. The kids eat watermelon. Where? Outside. The kids eat watermelon outside. Wow, look at that sentence we just made. It swims. Who? The sea turtle? The sea turtle swims. How? We could do quickly, slowly, smoothly. I'll say smoothly. The sea turtle swims smoothly. Where? In the water or ocean? The sea turtle swims smoothly in the ocean. What a great sentence. I bet yours was great too, even if it was a little different. It grows. What? Grass. The grass grows. Why? Oh, there could be many reasons why. Maybe it rained, maybe it's spring. I'll say it's spring. The grass grows because it is spring. Let's do one more together. They get on. When? I'm not sure if this is morning or afternoon, but we get to choose our sentence. So I'll say morning. In the morning, they get on. By the way, if you are ever saying when something happens, you should try to put that first in the sentence. Who? Maybe the kids or students. In the morning, the students get on. What? The bus? In the morning, the students get on the bus. Look, another awesome sentence. Now, let's end with me giving you the question words and seeing if you can create a sentence on your own. Either say it or write it down, and then we'll compare at the end. He sleds. Who? Where? Expand the sentence to answer those two questions. My sentence is, Lucas sleds down a mountain. I bet our sentences were different, and that's okay, but I bet they both match the video. Let's have you do one more on your own to finish up. They color. When? What? Where? Expand the sentence to answer those questions. Remember to put the when at the beginning. On a sunny day, the girls color pictures in the grass. It is amazing what strong, detailed sentences we can make when we answer some of those questions the reader might be wondering about. For paper pencil practice with this, click the link below.